Hello everyone. Today we are going to unlock a Wi-Fi router which is a Japanese pocket model. It's manufactured by the Huawei company. As you can see right now, our client has inserted an MTN network SIM into it. The device is showing its status as locked and not supporting the SIM. Today in this video, we will share with you the complete process. The video will be a bit long, but we'll have full details. If you want to unlock your Wi-Fi device, this video will be helpful for you. Remember friends, you first open the device, short its test point to enable its port. Our boot point is visible here. We shorted that point, plugged in the cable, and now our port is showing up here. Now using this port, we will begin the software flashing process. Our service is done online, remotely. Now the device we are unlocking is also being unlocked online. It's connected remotely through AnyDesk. This software flashing is being done while we're connected to the customer's computer via AnyDesk. This video is being shown as proof. If you also have a Wi-Fi device like this and you want to use it on all networks, you can contact us. Our contact number is shown on the screen. Reach us via WhatsApp, and you can get your device or any other unlocked from home with our online service. For online unlocking, what do you need? First, you must have a laptop or computer with an internet connection. Then you use remote connection software like AnyDesk, TeamViewer, or UltraViewer to get the work done. Now you don't need to go to the market. Many devices are brought by our customers after going around the market, and they remain locked. They contact us and get their device unlocked from home. Our device has been successfully unlocked, friends. Now you can see on the screen, where earlier it showed a network lock, the MTN network SIM is now working. Now you can use any network SIM in this device, and you can use this device in any country. I hope, friends, you enjoyed our video. If you liked it and you work with software or want to stay updated in the world of internet devices, routers, and modems, then subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a nice comment. We'll meet again, unlocking another Wi-Fi device. Until then, take care. Goodbye.